Hello, Jim Techbuzz. Two new products in from Creative, and we've got the Outlier Free and the Outlier Free Pro. On the front there, you can see these have got 5.3 Bluetooth, and so have these here, but these have got a higher rating because they're for the pros. So we're going to unbox them and see what they're all about and show you them first, and then you can ask any questions you might have for the full review soon. So we'll start with this one here. Okay, so you got bone conduction technology, 5.3 Bluetooth, multi-point connectivity, 10 hours of playtime, IPX5, lightweight, works with Google Assistant and Siri, and karaoke app ready. So we'll have a look at this one here. We'll take off the package. And these guys here are 5.3, 8 gigabits of storage built in, 10 hours of playtime. Again, karaoke ready, Siri app, IPX rate, and bone conduction technology at 5.3. So that's just the difference between both, and why one's pro and one is not. So what we're going to do is open up this one here, and you will get your books and stuff there, and here is the headphones here. So you can see you've got buttons here on top which are raised and they look really nice. You've got the Creative branding on both sides. And basically that's what a bone conduction headset looks like if you've not seen one before, and they're pretty simple to use. So we'll take out this little package here, and we have got inside your cable. It's a specialized cable, as you can see. So again, it's important you don't lose these, and these are just held on by a magnet which will pop on here, and you'll start charging your device. So that's that much there, and what these are, I don't know, we'll have to check that out, but we'll look into that later on. So we'll look into these next and see the differences between them. Booklet again, and we have got this colour here. It's a nice colour. There's a little bit of a difference in between the headsets, as you can see. Not really, actually. The colour's just different. One has just more features than the other. So again, you've got the same connection points here. You've got the same raised buttons here on the front. And basically, it's the same setup, as you can see. You've got left and right, and they're really light and simple to use. So let's have a look at the rest of the packaging here, just to see if there's anything different in it. And again, it's the same setup again, very same setup. Just have a look at those cables. Yes, there's a difference in the cables, as you can see. One has 2 pins and one has 4. So slight differences between both. One is a higher graded headset than the other and offers a bit more features, and that's basically it. So any questions you might have, drop them in the comments below, and that's just a quick first look at unboxing in the hand so you can see what they look like, and that's it. So we'll have a full review soon, and stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.